Hello and welcome to new and current students. I'm Dr. Myint, the responsible lecturer of Level 4 for Management and Organizational Behavior module. In this video, I will briefly explain about this module, including module assessment. Firstly, this is one of the first modules that you will be taking at university in your first year, which is Level 4, and it will serve as a good basis for your study of business. This module covers some of the classic management issues and approaches with more contemporary debates. While this module is about management and organizations, it also applies across a number of different aspects of business. Working with others is a fundamental of the modern business environment. So for example, accountants will need to navigate organizations, and it is true for the marketing professional or professional managers. This year, we will be delivering the module in a slightly different way than usual, but I believe that the experience will be judged as engaging. The module aims to introduce you to the nature and complexity of organizations and the functional specialisms in management. The challenges of organizational behavior are covered through class-based exercise on topics such as leadership, motivation, group formation, behavioral management, and change management. A significant part of the sessions will be used to consider the international implications of people management. This will allow the group to utilize and benefit from the range of nationalities and international experience in the student and staff body. By the end of the module, you will be able to identify the nature of organizations and structures and explain the development of management theories and practices. Then you will be able to outline the roles, responsibilities, and purposes of the different management functions in the organization. This module is typically delivered through a series of weekly 3-hour blocks. The assessment for this module has been developed based on social distancing measures, and therefore there is no impact on the module assessment as well. So secondly, let me share briefly on weekly lectures. Week 1 is the overview of the module. So week 2 is about the information and communication in the organizations. In week 3 and week 4, those are about motivation. So content and process motivation theories will be discussed. In week 5, group dynamics will be discussed. And week 6, we call it is the consolidation week. In that week, the lecturer will revise the lectures or hold a seminar for students to make sure that every student understands the concepts regarding the previous week lectures. So in week 7 and week 8, the lecturer will discuss about teams, team working, and how to make decisions effectively for the organizational development. In week 9 and week 10, the cultural aspects which are related to the organizations will be discussed. In week 11, it is the last week for lectures, and the lecturer will discuss about the change, which are the change management theories and concepts on how to transform and manage the change effectively and efficiently. So final part is the assessment. In the first semester, the students have a set of 7 quizzes which relate to the content of each of the topics. They involve a variety of question types, and students have to read and engage with the given reading materials to be successful. In the second semester, assessment component 2 is the program level assessment, which we call PLA assessment. This is an intensive group project, and the marks for this aspect of the project will be applied to this module and constitute 30%. So it means that the assessment of the first semester, which are the 7 quizzes, constitute 70%. In that project, students are expected to demonstrate their understanding on the nature of organizations and structures, the development of management theories and practices. Then, students are expected to show their ability on understanding the roles, responsibilities, and purposes of the different management functions in organizations and demonstrate your understanding of some of the factors involved in the management of people in organizations, both in local and global context. So I hope this video will be very interactive and helpful for all new and current level 4 students. And thank you.